You already know what time it is. I'm in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? This King Shy, you already know. This is for the post I put up last night about the shout out or the rap video, you know what I'm talking about? Queen Mandy, this is your shout out, girl, you know what I'm saying? So Pinch Shadow did do his thing, you know what I'm talking about? And K Casual, Nadia Ortiz, Ayo Smile, Brittany Smith, I see you, girl. All the other people that gonna put your likes, you know what I'm saying? Like Manito King Loco, Little Princess Christy, I'm talking about, and Izzy Boy, I see you, boy. Lazy out there in Ocala, Saya, Juju, you jumped out today. Hopefully you hit me up sometime this week, bro. Or more than likely link up this weekend, you know what I'm talking about. And let's see who else I'm missing out here. Yo, Error, yo, Queen Wicked, you know what I'm talking about. Let's see, yo, this mad shout outs I gotta do. So many people, I got mad love for y'all. If y'all want in my life right now, y'all want to be where I'm at, you know what I'm saying? And I'm glad, yo, you know, we ain't, like, all of us ain't met in person, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Facebook's a grand thing. This networking system is an amazing thing. So, I keep it popping, you know what I'm talking about? Let's see, what else? Who else out here I could go ahead and shout out? Oh, yeah, my baby mama, Christy. Yeah, as y'all can see, I'm on Facebook. I would do this directly on me right now, but yo, nigga right now all bum and ratchet, I almost forgot about this. You know what I'm saying? Let's see who else on Facebook. Oh, look at this Ciroc bottle. Well, I'm about to jump out this bit. Go ahead and write a little rap or some shit. Or matter of fact, I gotta go pick up my brother. Look, y'all got me late. You know what I'm saying? I should have been going pick up my brother from a little class. Well, I'm finna be out in a few. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hit me up, Facebook, YouTube. I see you. Shit, y'all get at me. Post my likes. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw more shout outs. Anybody like? I'm talking about this Shadow, baby. I'm out here in Zephyr Hills, son. Y'all niggas come forward, a nigga.